What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke, y'all. That's me. Of course, that is me. Getting ready to make you all, or show you all, this Chewy Supreme Pecan cookie. This is a cookie that I like. You can find this cookie at the Great American Cookie Company. And it's one of my favorite cookies. So I was searching around for it. I found several recipes, but I think I combined about 3 recipes together and I got the perfect cookie. Tastes just like the one out of the cookie store. So I'm about to show you all how to make this cookie. I'm telling you, y'all, they are delicious. They're delicious. Okay, so let's get the ingredients together and let's go to the oven. All right. All right, let's get these dry ingredients together for this cookie. In my bowl right here, I have 2 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. In there, I'm about to put 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, kosher salt. When you're baking, try to use kosher salt much as you can. Yeah, so got all that in there. So mix that in together. Okay. Meanwhile, that's all mixed in. Okay. Let's put this to the side. Right here, we have 1 stick of unsalted butter, which is 4 ounces. And we're about to put in 4 ounces of butter Crisco shortening. Okay. Which is going to equals 1 stick also. Okay. There we go. So that's 1 stick of butter, 1 stick of shortening. And let's cream this up. Okay, after you got that butter and shortening creamed together, put in 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. And we're going to mix this. Okay, now that that's creamed up, let's put in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Ooh, that's more than a tablespoon, but you can never have too much. I just be poor, y'all. That's 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And we're going to put in right here. This is 2 whole eggs and an extra egg yolk. So that'll be 2 eggs and 1 extra egg yolk. Okay, put that in there. And let's cream this together. Okay, see how that creamed up beautifully? Now, let's put some good stuff in here, which is going to make it chewy and give it that good taste. Molasses. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of molasses. Okay. Gotta use my finger because it's sticky. 1 tablespoon of molasses. That's in there. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Let me how can I pour this? I gotta switch hands now. Okay. 1. Oh, come on. Ooh, my hand's getting sticky. I hate my hands getting sticky. Come on. Okay. All right there. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Okay. Let me get all that in there. All right. And right here is 1 cup of Karo dark corn syrup. That's what makes this cookie chewy. And this is what also makes it supreme. Yeah, buddy. I'm telling you, I love these cookies. This is about the only cookie I get when I go to the Great American Cookie Company. Yeah. Okay, make sure I get all my syrup in there. All right, let me go wash my hands, y'all. Right back. Okay, let's mix this all together. All right, after all that's combined, y'all see there? Oh, this is gonna be so good, I'm telling you. I made these several times. And usually sometimes I do one batch for just myself, and I take the rest of these cookies and I freeze them. So when I want cookies again, I just take them out and bake them. Or when company come, they'll have fresh cookies in the cookie jar. So now, let me go ahead and add our Let's add the dry mixture with the flour, the cinnamon, the salt, and the baking powder. Make sure I got all of it in there. And I'm about to mix this on a low speed until it's all incorporated. This is a very soft dough, so of course, it's going to go chilled in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, okay? All right, okay, so it's finished being mixed. That is it. Get my spoon. Okay. See how soft that is? So you know it gotta chill for about I'd say about 30 minutes to an hour. Now, pecans. We putting 2 cups of chopped pecans in this. Okay, so let's fold in or stir in our chopped pecans, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator. Okay. Be right back. All right, there go our batter. We about to put some Saran Wrap on it, put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or 45 minutes until it firms up. In cooking, this is the one thing I hate right here. This darn Saran Wrap. Like it don't never act right. Let me see, can I get it to act right? You know, stuff like that act a fool on camera. Let me see. I'll put it like this. Let's see if I got it right. How you tear this? Okay. I think I got it. Oh, I hate this. Okay. We put another piece and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. See y'all in a few. All right. It's been 45 minutes and our cookie dough has firmed up. As you see, I got my cookie sheet sprayed. I got my oven set at 350. We're gonna put these cookies in for 12 minutes. Now, I'm going to get a scoop of cookie dough and I'm gonna roll it in a ball. These cookies spread. So, my hands are already washed, so put that scoop in my hand like that. And I like to make perfect balls like that. And gonna place it right there. All right. Gonna place them about 2 inches apart. All right. So I'm gonna do about 8 cookies. Then I'm gonna freeze the rest of this dough for later. Okay. Put this one there. All right. Be right back, y'all. Okay, there go 8. Let's put it in for 12 minutes. Be right back, y'all. All right, just took it out the oven. I told y'all they spread. See how they spread? Yeah, now we gotta let them cool off. And we're going to taste them. All right, there we go. All right, there go the cookies, y'all. Y'all see them? Make sure y'all get a good look at them. There go the Chewy Supreme Pecan cookies. Yeah, buddy. Now let's taste one and let's enjoy. Hey, my good people. Look, there go the cookie. I'm telling y'all. Look at that. This is a must-make recipe. They taste exactly like those cookies. I'm telling you. No, you can't say a word. You just wave your hands. All I need is some milk. So, go get the ingredients. Go make this recipe. I will not lead you wrong. And go check me out on YouTube. Blind Bearded Chef Z. Subscribe to my page. Show the brothers some love. I think I do good for a blind man. Bye, y'all. God bless. Take care.